What did you do? Here, can you put the red one in? What did you do? Can you put the red one in? No. Go get it.
Find the book with the gift.
Bring it back. Did you put it in the truck?
My animal friend.
You coming back? You put it in there?
The alphabet.
Did you do it? Where did it go?